Thank you very much. 35 million viewers. Thank you very much, guys.
Kita kain kami ng hipon, exotic. Kilawin. Kilawin seafoods.
Sipons. Pinagsama mo sipons sa kahipon. Sipons.
Seafoods.
Yeah.
We got hangry.
Hungry.
Nagugutom na kami.
Tita, gutom na kami, tita, kain.
What you having for dinner, happy family? Yeah. Salamat. Hello, my friends. Hello, Jersey Life. Popsa, Teresa Kisco. Hi, how are you both? I'm happy. I'm good.
We're fine. Like
Yes,
you. Tita, kumakain ka ng kilawin. Kilawin seafoods.
It's
Isasawsaw lang sa sibuyas.
Suka.
Suka.
It's raw.
Garlic. Onion.
Tagalogin mo na.
Ano ba tong
Ginger.
Onion, garlic. Ginger. Then have a calamansi and chili.
Sabi ko na ginger. Hindi mo ako pa
Pag
niya.
Tagalog daw kasi kayo, pwede naman daw.
Kaya sabi niya may kalamansi. Wala naman to kalamansi.
It doesn't have a
Kaya mo
suka,
kunti mo.
kaya?
Hindi suka. No, I'm allergic on shell foods. Sabi niya allergic siya.
Okay. It's so sad.
Can I get some fried chicken? Yes. Later. Uy,
There's no fried chicken.
We have no
Mark,
fried chicken,
asin.
only fish. Fried fish.
Ano fresh?
Fish. Paksiw. Paksiw fish. Fried paksiw.
ay paksiw.
Binupunta mo na.
Ay paksiw.
Okay na?
Okay. Tama. Diba? Tama na. Hindi po malak.
Tita, gutom po kami. Kain tayo. Padialsyad po. Yeah.
Delshad, bon appetit. Wow. What's up, guys? Thank you very much. Lauro Trinidad and Delshad, thank you very much for love, guys. 82 million viewers. Wow, yummy. Love that fish, yeah. Tulingan na Ate Jack. Tulingan siya. Tulingan na paksiw. Tapos ito naman, prito.
Prito paksiw.
Prito tulingan.
Prito paksiw siya, tita.
So ito pala, allergy pala si ate nito. Laki pa na ng ipon. Allergy. Saripon.
Sayang.
What?
Thank you for 140 viewers.
Wow, 140 million
Please
viewers.
don't forget
Thank
to
you very much.
subscribe.
Thank you very much for the 140 million
Tita, sarap
viewers.
kumain. Kumakain ka pa with, nakakamay lang.
Oo nga, no?
Sarap kasi kumain, nakakamay lang.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching my live.
Mayaman kasi si tita.
Ano? Binabasa.
I don't eat much seafoods, that's much. Okay po.
Allergy. Yummy, yummy. Sabi, TRD Pro. Don't forget to subscribe my
Like
channel.
number
Thank you very
3,
much.
si Jerry.
149 million
Jerry's
viewers.
Life.
Wow.
Number 3 likes. Number 3 daw siya.
There's life. Thank you. Don't forget to
Hi,
like.
Jerry's Live. Good evening.
Don't forget to like my live.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to forget. Thank you.
Wow, thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Sakto na, no? Tap. Thank you very much to all of you guys watching. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nag-watch sa aking live. Kain tayo, guys. Everyone, please like and subscribe. Wow, thank you very much. This live. 124 million viewers. April 17. WTF is that roast shrimp? Yeah.
Yeah.
Roast shrimp. It's a fish.
Fresh
Just enjoy
shrimp.
your food. For my lovely family, wow, thank you for it. Eat
Fresh
the way you
and
want
raw.
it.